Introducing the 2020 Peugeot 508 SW GT line. This luxurious estate car is packed with features to ensure a comfortable and safe drive every time. From the ambient lighting and satellite navigation to the collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, this vehicle has everything you need. With only 4,500 miles on the clock, this diesel automatic is built to last. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-spec servicing, and a comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this stunning vehicle. Call us or visit hillsford.co.uk for more information today.